Hi, and welcome to this VTC tutorial series on learning Adobe Director 11. My name is James Gonzalez. I'll be your guide through this look at one of the most powerful software tools for creating media-rich, interactive presentations, applications, and web content. This course is composed of movies between 3 and 7 minutes in length, organized with other movies in sections of related director techniques or topics, starting with this section, providing an orientation to this tutorial and an introduction to the director application. Before we begin, I need to orientate you on how these videos work. I'm currently using screen capturing software to record my voice and computer screen. The video images you see running on my screen are being captured by this screen recording program. I will be recording my screen while demonstrating all the important features of Adobe Director 11. This will enable me to give you a very visual and detailed look at the application. Now, Director works on both the Macintosh and Windows platforms with only slight differences in appearances and locations of some of the interface elements. To accommodate users of both versions of Director 11, some of the movies have been recorded on my Dell computer running Windows Vista, some on my MacBook Pro running the Macintosh version of Director. Some of the movies have also been recorded using the trial version of Director, which is available from the Adobe website. You'll sometimes notice down in the bottom right-hand corner of the stage a watermark label that says Adobe Director 11 Trial. Other than this watermark label, the trial version works exactly the same as the full version and has all the same features and capabilities. One additional feature of this tutorial is the inclusion of many of the working director source files, the DIR files that I use to demonstrate the numerous director techniques covered within the individual movies of the tutorial. Access these DIR work files in the Working Files folder of the CD. These are named in accordance with the topic of the material covered in the movie. For example, the file labeled Basic Lingo Scripts right here was used in the movie entitled Some Basic but Useful Lingo Scripts. The director file labeled 3D Behaviors here at the top was used in the movie of the same name and covers this very same topic. Hopefully you'll find these working files very helpful in your efforts to learn Director 11 in the most efficient and effective manner. In many cases you'll want to use these working files and work along with my demonstrations in a particular movie. Opening and investigating the files I've organized for you here in the Working Files folder will give you insights and learning opportunities beyond what's covered in just the tutorial movies. Use these DIR files, open them up in Director to practice techniques covered in the movies. You can also use them to see how the author of the movie has set up scripts, scores, cast windows, libraries, and much, much more. Each movie was chosen or created to demonstrate and instruct on a specific director skill or technique, so I've included them in the tutorial to give you more help in mastering the information covered in the video portion of the tutorial. Let me now move on to the next movie and answer the question, what is Director and why should you learn how to use it?